Come away with me to the bird bath. Come join the bird bath, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bath.
It's a cold and icy day in the garden. I wonder who's going to be first at the bird bath. It's Bob Robin. He seems very happy today.
I love this chilly weather. It makes my breast feathers all rosy. La 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 la. That's a strange sound. La 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 la. I better go and take a closer look. It's you, Jackie. What are you doing?
I'm practicing my scales.
Scales? What are they?
I'll show you, Bob.
Jackie Blackbird has been tapping the icicles to make musical sounds.
La 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 la. La 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 la. What was that?
My top C.
What's a top C?
It's the highest note I can sing.
It's very, impressive.
Thank you, Bob. Now I must fly. Cheerio.
As Bob was playing the icicles, along came Mo Sparrow.
Hello, Bob. That sounds nice.
Come and join him, Mo.
Phew. I need a drink.
Me too. I'll race you to the bird bath.
I'm going to make a really big splash.
I'll splash you first.
Whoa!
Bob and Mo didn't know that the bird bath was frozen. It was so cold the water had turned to ice.
Are you all right, Bob?
I'm fine. Can we do it again?
Let's see if we can stand up first.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Look, Mo. The bird bath is frozen solid. We can walk on it.
Slide more like.
This is great fun.
Even more fun than splashing.
Nice, nice, isn't it nice, skating on the ice. It might be cold, but we're having fun, and it keeps you warm when you're spinning along. Nice, nice, isn't it nice, skating on the ice. It takes a while till you get the knack. Try it again, then there's no turning back. Look at all the tricks we can do. Spinning around makes you go Yahoo! Spinning's just like gliding on air. I wish I could skate everywhere. Nice, nice, is isn't it nice? Look at the tricks you can do. You must be crazy, shivery or lazy, if you don't like spinning on ice. You must be crazy, shivery or lazy, if you don't like spinning on ice. Hey!
Bob and Mo hadn't noticed that their friends were watching from the tree.
Bravo! Nice moves!
That was marvellous.
Thanks, everyone.
I bet you could do with a nice drink now.
Yes, I'm really thirsty, but the bird bath's frozen.
We need to break the ice to get to the water.
Leave it to me.
Herbert Heron used his long beak to try and break the ice.
Oh, it's not even cracking.
Never fear, Commander Pigeon's here. Watch out below!
Finn Pigeon tried to help by dropping a large pine cone on the ice.
I don't think anyone will break the ice.
I know someone who can.
Who?
Jackie, could you sing your top C?
My top C? Whatever for?
You'll see.
Oh, very well. La 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 la. La 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 la.
La la la.
Jackie's singing was so high, it broke the ice in the bird bath.
Well done, Jackie. Now we can all have a drink from the bird bath.
Oh, it was nothing.
I didn't know that you had such a cracking voice, Jackie.
We leave the birds to have their drink. Until next time on Bird Bath, goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been. See you the very next time at the bird bath.